subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook For You presents Malai Chicken Pockets. Step 1 Marination. Take 300 grams boneless chicken. Add 100 grams curd. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. Half teaspoon Garam Masala. 1/4 teaspoon Chaat Masala. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Add some lemon juice. Combine well. Let it marinate for 1 hour. Step 2. Making Malai Boti Chicken. Heat up the pan. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Add some oil so butter doesn't burn. Mix well. Add marinated chicken pieces. Roast 2 to 3 minutes. It will release its water. Do not add additional water. Cover and cook 5 minutes on medium flame. Dry out the water. Keep sautéing until marks appear. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 3 tablespoons thick cream. Give it a good mix. Add 2 cheese spread or cubes. Some fresh coriander leaves. Half teaspoon chili flakes. Combine well. Turn off the flame. Add some chopped lettuce leaves. Mix well. Now give it a coal smoke. Put burning charcoal. Add some butter or oil. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overpower coal smoke. Remove the coal. Keep aside the stuffing. Step 3. Making pockets. Take 2 medium bread slices. Cut the edges. Remove it. Flatten it with help of rolling pin. Cut with cutter or glass. This is the perfect thickness. Crack 2 eggs. Add 2 pinch of salt. Add some milk. Beat well. Dip the flattened bread first in egg mixture. Then coat with bread crumbs. Repeat the same procedure for all the breads. Time to fry the pockets. Heat up the oil. Check the oil with skewer. If bubbles appear around the skewer's pocket is ready to fry. Drop pocket in hot oil one at a time. Fry in hot oil on low to medium flame. Gently press. Flip over. Gently press. Pocket puffs up. Splash the oil on it. Fry until golden brown. Remove it. Look, all the pockets puffs up beautifully. Cut from the center with the help of knife or scissors so you will get 2 pockets. Let me show you another one. Step 4. Assembling. Take bread pocket, add Malai Boti chicken. Put 1 lettuce leaf. 1 tomato julienne. Garnish as per choice. Do this for the remaining. Instead of Malai Boti you can also add chicken tikka, hariyali kebab, keema or tuna fish stuffing recipe uploaded on my channel. Do try this super delicious recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.